you so much mwiroreri na karibu nginya kurathime na gwike wega nitukenete ni tondu wa support yaku. Continue subscribing, continue commenting and sharing na mwathani kurathime muno. Muthenya wa umuthi tukwariria maundu maria mutumia endaga thiini wa mundurume na maundu maria matumaga mutumia aigue ari attached so much to a man, kana maundu maria mangituma mutumia ende guturania na muthuri ucio ni maundu mariku abatie gukorwo namo. There are qualities, there are things that this man should possess, and how I know umuthi ni gwikira twarari last time twaririe the qualities of the qualities in a woman every man is looking after. Na siku ya leo reke tukiaririe maundu maria mutumia endete muno na maundu maria muthuri abatie gukorwo namo nigetha atuike muthuri uria mutumia othe akenda gwikara nake. Karibu sana na Ngai akurathime. The first quality a man must possess. When I was studying the book of Revelation, maandiko moigite the Son of Man, who is Jesus Christ, appeared in 4 faces. Akioneka na alina maudhiu mana. Na those 4 faces are the qualities of the things I would like to discuss tonight. Na tuone how Christ appeared as a perfect man. Ithuothe tuigua tukenda gwitanio nake, atumia othe nimenda gwitanio nake, andu akirathi kia iguru nimenda gwitanio nake, andu akirathi gia thi nimenda gwitanio nake. What are the qualities that Jesus possessed? Quality number 1, I want to believe that atumia not unless ni gukiri atumia hiye muthemba ucio, those women who look after the 6 packs or however the body structure is, don't know whether there are those kind of women makirora all those qualities na magakienda guturania na mundu tocio. There are things more deeper than the physical things. I used to hear ladies say that man is handsome, lakini mu cute, and all these things I want to say they are good, but every perfect man must possess something bigger than the physical, than the 6-pack, than the handsomeness or any other physical thing. And quality number 1, the Bible says that Jesus appeared in the face of a lion. Uthi wa mbere uria Kristo onekire naguo ni uthi wa muruthi, and he calls himself the Lion of Judah. What are these things that we should learn, or can we learn from a lion? Tareke tobe tuci uhoro wa muruthi ta second imwe. Muruthi uthiaga githaka-ini uka put a demarcation sign kana ugacaria territory, and the lion marks its territory by urinating on one corner na guthuguka corner eno ingi no gucoka uga I will sit here as a king in the midst of this territory, and whatever comes in, whether it's an elephant, a tiger, or an antelope, or a rabbit, or the warthog, call it, name them all. Muruthi ukoragwo umakite, that is my territory. No matter whoever comes in, big or small, he must surrender to my authority. A woman looks for a man who knows his territory, and a man who has authority over his territory. But these days, including our fathers and our grandfathers, they don't know their territory. That anything or anybody can come in his territory or in his family and misbehave. Ninyonete mishii mingi githiraniire tondu wa mundu ta mathaini ru, you are married and you are settled with your wife somewhere, no mathaini ru agoka agethecereria kuu gwaku na dictator kiria gikurugwo na kiria gikunyuo na kiria gikuhumbo, na agatuika ta take control over that house. As a man, I would like to tell you to wake up. Somebody has invaded your territory. He was your mother when you were sucking. I remember it all in the gaga, but now you are grown up. No matter how you get mudu agi marane tige na tige nyina athi agi handu hake niga onake produce a generation kana atwarithie na mbere ubi wa Ngai. There is no way you can gotire gegokiwa gotire ndego irumaga imera igiri aciarisho mena mutugo wa guthie nyumba cia ciana ciao ndiramakania na ngamakoma ringi mutige mitugo yo. If you brought up your kids, that was your time. You fought your Goliath, you cannot fight my Goliath. Ona Daudi ahurie Goliath itarimwe riria riko muhura ringi erirwo muthamaki ndungota guthi gwika uguo because he had sons who could do that. Leke kugie na arume maramenya this is my territory. Leke aciari athuri mamenye this is my territory, this is my family. Guard your family. Rugamata muthuri ugagutigũthio regardless who is opposing you. Na mutumia ukararia muthuri jamba ne rugamaga koiga ndĩgagutigũthio, and that is the final thing. This reason we can learn it from a lion. Angorwo we mũndũrũme mandĩko moigĩte atĩrĩrĩ he handũ cũrũcigĩte thiĩ rute na thigiriri wone ũrĩa ĩkĩ wone ũrĩa ĩigagĩra mũthithũ na nĩ gũkwĩra mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ thiĩ wĩrute na mũrũthi ũthuguma gakorwo neno na ũkaingatithia njogu na nĩguo ĩnene ũkaingatithia mũrũthi ũkaingatithia tiger ũkaingatithia rhino ũkaingatithia every big or small animal nĩ tondũ it's no mũrũthi nĩ this is my territory, this is the place where God has given me. Nĩ kũrabatara nĩ kũgĩa na arũme mangĩrũgama moige this is my family, this is my wife, this is my daughter, this is my son, and you stand against every attack, either external or internal attack. They go to women who attack family, maybe the brothers or the sisters, they are coming to attack your wife. Where are you, husband? Stand up in your territory. God is waiting for you to stand up in your territory. Negative or protect or do what needs to be done. But sorry to say this, nikonekete arume mataramenya na arume matare na concern, and everything can happen. Even diseases, God has given you authority over that territory. Guard your people. Ezekiel, you are the watchman. Now you're supposed to be the gatekeeper or the village keeper. When you see danger, blow the trumpet. They go get the arume marona ngoma yuka ko attack their families, and women and children are crying because the man they married or the man they are attached to is somehow not aware of the responsibilities that is upon him. This is a wake-up call to every man and to every sister out there. Look out for a man who has authority and knows how to use authority. I'm not saying that to intimidate anybody. Na ndiroiga ukorwo uri violent. God says in the book of Malachi that I hate a man who clothes violence as a cloth. God is looking for a man who has authority and who can guard what God has put in his praise or under him for the glory and honor of God. As we enter to the second part, karibu sana, subscribe, like, comment and share, and God bless you so much.